The restaurant kitchen is a war zone. It is stress. It is fire. It is passion. Sometimes Hollywood gets it completely wrong, but sometimes they capture the magic of food perfectly. Today, I'm ranking the top 10 greatest chef and food movies of all time. From the absolute panic of a busy Friday night service to the simple beauty of cooking pasta for the person you love. Grab your dinner, get on the couch, and let's count down the number 10 to the absolute king of food movies. Let's go. Number 10, Ratatouille. Yes, it is a cartoon about a rat, and if a rat was actually in my kitchen, I would call the health inspector immediately. But listen, the message of this movie is beautiful. Anyone can cook. The moment when the grumpy food critic takes on a bite of a simple basin dish and is transported back to his childhood, that is the true power of food. S-tier animation. This movie, it is powerful. Number 9, Le Chef, starring Jean Reno, incredible actor. This is a brilliant French comedy. It is all about the war between classic, traditional cooking and this new crazy fine dining, molecular gastronomy, whatever you want to call it. You know, when chefs serve you a foam that tasted like chicken or dry ice instead of real food, this movie makes fun of all that pretentious nonsense. We want real food, not the chemistry experiments. Number 8, No Reservations. Catherine Zeta-Jones is a perfectionist head chef whose life is completely controlled by a kitchen. It shows you how cooking can be an obsession. It is a beautiful romantic comedy, but it also shows the stubbornness of a real chef who refuses to compromise on her recipes. We all know a chef who is exactly like her. Number 7, Julie and Julia. Meryl Streep playing the legendary Julia Child. This movie is pure respect for technique. It is about the absolute joy of mastering a classic recipe, even if it takes you 5 tries and a mountain of butter. If you love the history of cooking, this movie will make you incredibly happy and incredibly hungry. Number 6, The Taste of Things. Listen to me, this French film is a masterpiece of ASMR. For the first 30 minutes of this movie, there is almost no talking, no music, just the pure, beautiful sound of chopping, simmering, and roasting in a 19th century kitchen. You can practically smell the screen. It is visual poetry. Number 5, The Menu. This is a horror movie for foodies. Ralph Fiennes plays a crazy, terrifying chef on a private island. I love this movie because it destroys the ridiculous, snobby world of extreme fine dining. People paying $1,000 to eat a simple leaf on a rock. Food is meant to be eaten, not worshipped like a museum piece. A brilliant, dark, hilarious movie. Number 4, Burned. Bradley Cooper plays a Michelin star chef who is an absolute nightmare. This movie shows the toxic, high-pressure, terrifying reality of trying to get the 3 Michelin stars. The screaming, the throwing of pans, the looking for perfection. If you want to know why chefs go crazy, watch this movie. It gives me anxiety just thinking about it. It seriously deserves the top 1, but the top 3 are actually even better than this movie. Number 3, Big Night. Mamma mia, this is the ultimate Italian-American movie. 2 brothers, Primo and Secondo, open a restaurant in the 1950s. Primo is a purist. He refuses to change his authentic recipes. The customers ask for a side of spaghetti with a risotto, and he wants to kill them. Every Italian chef in the world relates to this struggle. And the final dish, the massive timpano baked pasta, it is a cinematic masterpiece, a movie you must watch. Number 2, the boiling point. Stephen Graham, this entire movie is shot in one single continuous take. And just for this reason, deserves to be number 1. No cuts. It follows the head chef on the busiest Friday night of the year. The allergy tickets, the health inspector, the rude customers, the kitchen running out of prep. It is so realistic, it actually gives me PTSD. If you have ever worked in hospitality, this movie is a documentary. Absolutely masterpiece. Number 1, the absolute king, Chef. Written, directed by, and starring Jon Favreau. This is the greatest love letter to food ever put on a film. He plays a chef who loses his mind at a fancy restaurant, quits his job and buys a broken down food truck to make Cuban sandwiches. It reminds us why we cook. We don't cook for Michelin stars. We cook to see the smile on someone's face when they take a bite. And the scene where he makes the spaghetti aglio olio for Scarlett Johansson, twirling the pasta with the parsley and the garlic oil, it is the most beautiful, romantic, authentic cooking scene in movie history. Chef is the undisputed S-tier number 1 best food chef's movie of all time. Wow, now I'm starving. I need to eat this pasta and watch Chef right now. But I want to know, did I miss your favorite? Do you love chocolate? What about the 100-foot journey? Go to the comments right now and tell me your top 3 food movies of all time. Let's debate. If you love this list, smash the like button, subscribe to Vincenzo's Play, share this video with your friends, and maybe watch one of the movies tonight. E ora si mangia e guarda un film.